How's it going, guys? I have a special box here and I'm freaking excited. All right, let's get it on. Peanuts. Might need that for later. In this box. Charger. Wow, it's so small. Cool. Hardware kit. Pen for the top. Oh, yep. QS8. QS8, can't see. QS8. Alright. So my battery's gonna die, and so I'm just gonna open it up and you'll see later. Sorry guys. Alright. Battery charged up a little bit and it's gonna die again. Oh my god. Alright, let's do this together, guys. Here's a screen. I don't know if that's a scratch inside or what, but it's alright. I guess these are buttons. Seems like metal on the side. Excellent strap. QS8. Manufactured 2/29/24. Today is March 15th. I hope this is waterproof. Plastic on the top. Does this light up? Woohoo! Okay. Alright, let me charge this up pretty fast. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Stock. Sorry for the background. Alright, let's take a weight. Stock battery, 24.2 pounds. Chai battery. Chai or shy? Chai or chi. 34.4 pounds. Not that bad of a difference. And guys, there's also a rubber pad at the bottom. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's just get through this really fast. I guess that's for the cover. Hardware for the cover. QS8 connectors. Goes to the controller. Okay. Packing. Just in case it scratches. And ooh! Directions. Instructional guide. Alright. Okay, let me just read this real fast. Now before I charge up the battery, I want to make sure it fits. Oh yeah, no problem. It does have wiggle room. See that? It's kind of a big gap. Gap here. Gap there. Wow, lots of room. Lots of room. Gonna have to do something about that. Okay guys, the QS8 connector is installed in here. The hardest part was just getting the controller back into the bike. Pretty much the hardest part. So I want to put the battery in, fire it up, see what happens. Here's the connector. say to put it halfway in. Halfway. Wait a few seconds. And put it all the way in. Now I'm going to turn on my KO app. Well, actually I'm going to turn it on. See what happens. Alright. I'm not sure if you're supposed to switch it on. Okay, I figured out the cover, but I'm gonna have to cut this. But I guess I should have got the modified cover. I'm gonna have to modify it myself. Alright, well that's pretty much it for tonight. I'll be running this tomorrow. A little tired. I'm gonna charge it up, give it a go. Chee-hoo! Okay guys, this is gonna be the first time 72 volt. Put it on fast. Power. 7.2 kilowatts. Save. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I better go put more pads on before I do that. Okay, let me try EP. Should be a little bit less. I'll try to see if I can tractor up this without burning out. Oh yeah. Ooh. A little more. A little more. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Today's gonna be a good day. All right. I'll go back to the truck, put more pads on. That didn't sound right. All right. Stop recording. Alright guys, here we are the next day. It's time to clean up. And I just gotta say, this battery, Shy battery, is awesome. Went on like a 6-hour ride. I went from 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 kilowatts, and it was the bomb. So much fun. So much fun. Excuse me for my voice. So that's the part I like about it. It's got such a big storage. One of the things I don't like is the way this power wire comes up out of the battery. Open this up. So here is the QS8 wire that's coming from my controller all the way down there. It's maybe a couple inches too long. Now, I don't want to bend this power wire that's coming out of the battery too much. See if I could close it. That'd be great. See if I could close the hood. I probably could, but I don't want to bend the wires too much. I don't want to compromise these wires. So if it was a little bit shorter, and if they had the wires come out, I don't know, like at an angle, would be awesome. I don't know if I have to leave this power button on in order to use it. I don't know what these buttons are, but yeah, I use the padding from inside the box. Take up the space so it doesn't bang around. It's nice and tight. So yeah, that's my setup. It's an awesome freaking battery. I have a KO NANO that you cannot see. (1619) setup, 62 sprocket, stock motor, tri battery. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Good battery. I just don't like this part where it sticks out. That's all. That's the only thing, guys. Only thing. It sticks out. But yeah, awesome battery. Awesome. Alright, till next time. Okay.